Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana making another video. Today's video is going to be on how to troubleshoot an outboard motor that's missing at high speeds. So, those of you who follow me on my YouTube channel know that I go out and I bayou or lake test all my motors. And when I'm finished with them, I get a lot of questions from viewers who say, how come you never show us when you have trouble going out and running them? They always run good. And you're right. So just so happened on this Restore 89 that I went out this morning to test, it didn't run right at high speed. It missed. So the video here is going to show me out there doing this. It's missing. I'll take it back to my shop today and I ran trouble on it and I found the trouble. And I think this is a common problem that people have when their engines are running good but just not at high speed. They miss and they sputter. So if you follow through this video, you'll be surprised to find at the end what I found. And I think it'll be valuable to you. So if everybody's ready, here we go. Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike out running my Restore number 89. It's a 1961 10 horsepower Johnson. First time out on the water. I'm out in the Henderson Swamp right now at McGee's Landing. Let's take her for a little spin, see how she runs. So that test run didn't turn out too good. That motor would not run well. It would idle well. When you power it up, it would miss and sputter and wouldn't get up to high speed. So I went ahead and took it home and I'm gonna run some trouble on it. I'll show you how to test for a missing motor that misses. I'm gonna show you how to test for it with a timing light. So I'm gonna show you how I'm set up now. So I got my timing light here. And I have it set up on the top coil. I have a battery cable run over. It's a 12 volt powered timing light. So I got it run over to my lawnmower battery to get me powered up. Now I'm going to fire the engine up and test the top cylinder. As you can see, the top cylinder is missing pretty bad. When that light is blinking like that, not a steady light, that's the top cylinder is missing. Now I'm going to move it to the bottom cylinder and see if we got good spark there. As you can see, that spark's pretty good on the bottom cylinder. There's a little bit of blinking to it, but it's never really perfect. So obvious to me that the trouble is on the top cylinder. So that's how you diagnose an engine that misses and you suspect spark problems with a timing light. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fix the trouble. It's gonna be pretty sure dirty contacts on the top cylinder. I'm gonna clean those contacts and see if we can get her running good. All right, I got the flywheel removed, and this would be the top coil, which is the coil that we're having trouble with, and there's the wiring right there. So I've got a points file and a screwdriver. I'm going to open the contacts and clean those points right there. Just clean them real good. I'll put the flywheel back on and we'll test to see if that fixes the trouble. Here we go. It's pretty obvious that cleaning the points on the top cylinder did not do it. It's still missing pretty bad. So I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to get into the magneto, and now I'm going to check wiring for a loose connection, check the condenser, check the coil, and see what I can come up with. Okay, I've checked the wiring, the coils, and the wiring with a voltmeter all checked good, so I changed the condenser. And that's a brand new tune-up kit and condensers and points and coils I put on this thing, but I went ahead and changed the condenser. Let's give it a test run, see what it looks like. Nope, top coil is still missing. Well, I think I'm gonna go ahead and change the points. I suspect the points is what's causing this, even though it's a new set and I've cleaned them. So I'm gonna take her apart and replace the points. Alright, so I took her apart again, and I took out the points for the top coil. Now this is a new set of points that I installed in there, never ran before. And look at what I found on the points. See if I can get you a picture of it. See that pitting on the bottom there? See it on the very bottom? That pitted, that's a brand new set of points. So that's what I found on these points. So I'll put another new set in there. Let's see how that works. For the sure points. Let's see how that works. I believe that was the problem. That's more steady running. Yep, that was the trouble. Points. Whenever it's missing, and especially at high speed, take your timing light, put it on the top and bottom cylinder, find out which one is doing it, and I highly suspected it was the points from the beginning, but they were new points. So changed it out, got it going. Now I'm going to take her back out in the bayou and give her that test run again. Hope you enjoyed the video here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards. We're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!